Nimbus. My guy. My guy, Nimbus. What's happening? What's good? What's goody in the hoodie? We'll be right back. Looking good today. What? What? Nimbus. I'm taken, brother. I have a wife and kids, man. You can't keep hitting on me like this, bro. Yo, what's up, TikTok? TikTok gang, slide through. Any decent trades today? I was looking at gold buys above 2181, 810. Didn't get the closure. I'm only getting on Tuesday. I didn't get the close. We got a closure above here on the 5 minute, but then this next 5 minute candle didn't break the highs over here, so there was no trade there. But yeah, I was about, obviously I was prepping for buys right here, but didn't have it. Yo, Kubra, thank you for the follow on TikTok. Appreciate you, my brother. Welcome to the TikTok gang. What's up, Bankley? What is that? Is that a crocodile? Crocodile. Yeah, you're definitely late, Nimbus. You're definitely late, bro. But yeah. 4 hour is now over. What's up, Leon? Leon from Greece. Hey. Good day, sir. Good day. Good day, my brother. What are we doing here? TP. I'm just gonna do a quick Instagram post. Nice, bro. Nice, Leon. Leon B. Kennedy, if anyone gets the reference. I don't get that reference. I don't get the reference. Shorty's like a melody in my head that I can't keep on. I'm singing it like na 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 every day. Resident 2 Evil's main character. Oh, is that what it's from? Yo, Zaman. My bad. I didn't pay attention to the TikTok chat. It's over in the left-hand corner, so I just need to bring it over here as normal. Let's see. How long have you been trading for? Zaman, I've been trading for about 7 years. What asset? The asset is gold that we're currently looking at, xauusd. How do you know where to put your stop loss and take profit? Usually I use previous candle highs or lows, right? Previous candle high or low wicks. For example, if I was to take a trade right here on a buy potentially, then I would put my stop loss below that previous candle low, right? So this one over here. So this would be the entry candle. And then I'll put my stops below that previous candle low by a few pips. And that you know, that also goes across all time frames as well. All time frames. Yeah, me. All right, I'm just gonna do a quick I'm just gonna do a quick Instagram post. When I did it, it didn't do anything, like it didn't stop it. It kept going. What do you mean, L200? What do you mean, brother? My brother. Yes, sir. You know the dizzy deal. You know the deal. You know the deal. What platform do you trade on? I do my analysis on TradingView, but I enter my trades on MT5. I'm probably chatting shit. I don't really know what I'm talking about, but I thought the S. No, it doesn't do automatically. L200. You have to set the take profit and stop loss levels yourself. Yo, Zitten, Lama, thank you for the follow on TikTok. I appreciate you, man. What's happening? Ukash said, should we take a buy entry now looking bullish? DXY is falling. I would say if you're gonna look for buys, I mean, buys are really hard now. Buys were looking good pre London session leading into London Open, but as you can see right now, the previous 4-hour candle has actually rejected this level and closed bearish, right? So I mean, we've got previous 4-hour highs right here, which is a bearish candle. So yo, Air, what's up? What's up, Air? Thank you for the follow on TikTok. Appreciate you. Welcome to the TikTok gang, Aruski. But yeah, if like the fact that this rejected and closed back below this level 2178740 indicates that potentially we could be just making a top wick over here, and then we're gonna flip bearish and drive down potentially. But right now, gold is actually consolidating. You can see in here on the 4-hour time frame, sideways movement, no direction, no momentum, no volume in the last 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 candles. After this like huge move up and then huge move down, price is now ranging, consolidating. So there's not really much that we can do at the moment, apart from wait for some kind of trend to form or wait for a 4-hour closure above 2178740, this level right here, or 2182745, I would say. But there's a chance that this could just be making a top wick and it could flip back bearish, break the lows, break previous 4-hour lows, and then continue bearish here today based on current price action. But We do have daily highs up here as well, previous daily highs at 2200,175. So right now, yeah, I mean, it's completely up to what you want to do. Utkarsh. I can't say that name, man. Why is that such a hard name to say? I'm just going to call you Karsh or Tripathy. But, I mean, daily looks bullish, although, you know, this is a strong rejection. The daily could push, fill this wick. We just have to wait and see. But you'd want to see 4 hours start to... You'd want to see the 4 hours start to line up, right? So obviously we've got like 3 hours and 40 minutes until this 4 hour candle closes. But you'd want to see a nice bullish 4 hour candle closure here in order for you to then start looking at buys again. 1 hour as well. 1 hour looks very messy. There's literally no volume here. No direction, no volume. Nothing really we can take a trade on. I was looking for a breakout of this range during pre-London session. That's why I was looking for buys above that level. But yeah, it just rejected and now it's come back down. Amadio Zaki, thank you for the follow, bro. Welcome to the TikTok gang. Appreciate you. Appreciate you. What was I doing? Oh yeah, I was doing my Instagram post for the live stream. Always takes me super long to do this because I'm chatting to you guys. Let's have a look. Link in the basket. Link. Join up here. Gang. Rocket emoji. You gotta always put a rocket emoji in there, you know? You know what I'm saying. Rocket emoji. But yeah, UT is good in short form. Because it's Indian? Oh, your name. UT. Oh, UT, yeah. UT. I'm usually okay with pronouncing Indian names, but Utkarsh. Like that's the Ut and K like right after each other is hard to say, man. Utkarsh. But yeah. Let's have a look. So you guys can see the strong resistance that is being formed here. This is the blue level, right? We've got this nice level in the market. Yo, Philippe Cardenas, thank you for the sub on YouTube, my guy. Absolutely, you know, welcome to the game. I don't know what I was going to say there, but welcome to the game. I think I was in the middle of talking about this level and then shouting you out as well. Speaking of short forms, what is Cody short for anyway, bro? Cody Mihirius. Yeah, exactly. You got it, Nimbus. That's what it is short for. Cody Mihirius. But yo, appreciate the sub, man. Appreciate you. Thank you guys for all the love on the TikTok and the YouTube. But yeah, you can see this key level that price is up and down at, right? It breaks above, break back below, break above, break back below, break above. So price, there's a lot of volume and liquidity in this area that I think price is unsure of where to take it, either to the upside or the downside. Based on the daily, weekly, I'm kind of thinking that it can be to the upside. That's why I was looking for buys today. But obviously we need breaks above 2182.745 first of all, until we can look at buys. Because look at this range right here. This is a beautiful range all the way up. This is like 170 pip range right here. No traffic anywhere in here, right? Nice clean movements to the upside and nice clean movements to the downside. Same thing over here. You know, again, nice clean movements down, nice clean movements up. Not much, you know, like, you know, levels of support or resistance in there that price could potentially reject. So at the moment, you know, just waiting for break out of these levels, preferably to the upside. Preferably to the upside. Man, this cup of tea is Busting. Busting. Tea, milk, honey. That's the secret recipe to being a profitable trader. Tea, milk, and honey. While you're trading. It has to be while you're trading. But yeah, this is super messy right here, right? This is, you don't really want to be trading any of this. This is super messy. From the 4 hour to the 1 hour to the 5 minute, it's super messy. Very inconsistent. Like I said, no direction. And no clear direction in the market, right? So we want a clear direction of where price is heading. So until we get breakouts, there's going to be nothing happening here on gold, in my opinion. What's your guys' thoughts on gold today? Let me know. Let me know in the comments. Don't be shy. I know somebody's got some thoughts on where they think gold is going today. There's always somebody. So let me know. Let me know. While we're doing that, let's go look at gbpjpy. gbpjpy. Alright, so first of all, let's look at the daily, right? Previous daily candle over here was bullish. Previous daily candle was bullish, even though it was a doji type candle. You can see nice sell-off, pullback, and now price has broke previous daily lows to the downside, and it's created a beautiful, 3 candle pattern here. This is a very common pattern, reversal pattern. So daily structure has been broken, right? We know that we have a weekly level right here, 190849. We know weekly it's bullish. We know daily, looking at it just from this point of view, we can clearly tell it's bullish. But we're getting a bit of a pullback in here right now, because if this was going to continue bullish, I think it would have continued bullish from this area, right? Retest of the previous weekly level. Nice 1-2 tweezer bottom, price coming up, creating lows, highs, higher lows, higher highs, bullish closures. So if price was going to continue bullish, it would have done so from here, in my opinion. But now price has created a lower high, right? So here we have the lower high. Price has broken previous daily lows over here. So I think there could be a deeper pullback than this one right here. So potential levels it can come down to is over here, as well, the 189540 level. So yeah, daily has broken structure to the downside now. So that bullish structure has been broken. We take a look on the 4 hour here, we can see beautiful support level right here. The price on the 4 hour has just broken just now. Actually, you can see a huge 4 hour candle coming down. What is that tapping into there? Oh, that is the level. So it's tapping into that weekly level again. You can see literally it's come down and tapped it to the T. Boom. Right, and now it's kind of just sitting above that level. So that is the 190813 level. So yeah, this is interesting. So what you'd want to wait for now is to see how this 4 hour candle closes, because if it does close below 191103 and also this level 190813, that's a lot of indication that price can potentially continue bearish for the rest of today's session and going into the rest of the week, really, like tomorrow, Friday. So let's see. Let's take a look at that first 4 hour candle. Close bullish. And then price broke lows, broke 4-hour lows, broke daily lows. Yeah, it looks beautiful, right? These levels look beautiful. You can see the levels over here as well. The weekly levels that price is currently tapping into right now. You can see over here, this is where this is where it started to range over here. This would have been, yeah, Monday, Friday going into Monday. This is price was ranging at this weekly level 190,813, sorry. So yeah, this is a key level. This is a key level right now. It's going to be very interesting to see what GJ does at this level. If we do, like I said, if we do get closures on the 4, even on the 1, it can be quite significant. Quite significant. We've got 30 minutes left for a 1-hour closure. Let's see what happens at this level, right? This 190,813 level. Bro, I've been looking for your page. Well, you found me. What's up, entertainment? You found me, brother. What happened? You lost it. You came across my live one day. Was like, yes. Then you clicked off it, and then you haven't been able to find it since, or what? Yo, Ty Baldwin, thank you for the follow, bro. Appreciate you. Welcome to the TikTok gang. Gold has been coming in clutch this month. Yeah, gold has been crazy this month, man. I ain't gonna lie. The gold has been good. Gold has been good. You haven't been live? No, I've been live every day. Entertainment. Monday, Tuesday. What's the day? Wednesday. Yeah, live today. Live yesterday. Live on Monday. Live all last week. 5 days, man. I'm a full-time streamer. Full-time. Well, an hour, 2 hours a day. I'm cooked. Oh, it's because you wasn't following me, broski. What the fuck? Now you're following. Look at this drop on GJ, though. I wonder what caused this. Have been getting like massive 600 times pulls. Yeah, I mean, to be fair, for me, February was my best month so far this year. January was a bit rough. Feb was really good, and March has been okay. March has been okay. You just checked it. You're cooked, brother. You are cooked, my guy. You need to make sure you're following. What is it? Those who say turn on, what is it, notifications. Go ahead and do that. Let's have a look. Let's have a look at the stats. TikTok, you're not gonna be able to see this. You'll be able to see it on YouTube though. So far this month for March, 14 trades, a 71% win rate. January I had a 36 trades with a 49% win rate. Feb I had 23 trades with a 74% win rate. And yeah, March 14, 71%. So yeah, 44 wins, 28 losses. For a win rate of 61.11% so far this year. 311 pips gained profit. I've took 7 trades in New York session, and I've won all of them. All winning trades. That's crazy. That's crazy, man. Crazy, man. Oi, oi, oi. True. Yeah, exactly. The truth to trading, that you have wins, you have losses, but it's about the overall picture, you know? Like, there's been times this year where, like right here, you can see I went on a 5 losing streak, right? 5 losing streak for a total loss of almost 5k, right? 5 trades in a row, lost $4,978. Then I won one, then I lost another one, then I won 2, then I lost another 2. Then I went on a 4 losing streak. So it seems to happen in streaks for me. Like, I'll have the odd loss here and there, but then I'll have like mostly win streaks, win streaks, win streaks, then a loss, then win streaks. Then I'll have like 3 to 5 losses in a row. And then I'll go back like recently, right? I had 3 losses here at the start of the month. And now I'm on a 4 win streak. So my losses seems to be like clustered most of the time. How many trades this week? One trade yesterday. Yeah, 1 trade yesterday. One winning trade yesterday, the boys, and that was this one down here. 15 pip win, $1,146, a 3.37% account gain, and that was taken during London session, 10 past 8 p.m. breakout based on the daily time frame. Used the 5 lot. As long as your win-loss streak is 51 to 49, yeah, exactly. And you're managing your trades as well, right? That's important, I feel, that a lot of people don't do. A lot of people are scared to be wrong about a trade, right? So instead of cutting their losses early, their ego will kind of take over, and they'll be like, you know, oh, it's got, you know, I'll just give it a little bit longer. I'll give it a little bit, and then boom, stop loss hits. Whereas as soon as I see my trades start going into like past 10, 15, 20 pip drawdown, if that's not my stop loss, then I'm closing positions. I'm closing positions, not full positions, but like half or 25% of my positions. I manage risk straight away. I don't fuck about with managing risk, right? If I'm wrong for that day on that trade, then I'm wrong, right? And I just want to get out of that trade. Although not as much equity as yourself, as I only day trade 200 and making 150. That's good, man. And set losses for sure. Oh, that's good. It's all a process, you know, Ty. It's a process, man. Like you will get to that point one day where you do have a lot of capital and equity. And you know, it's all a learning curve, man. You have to go through this part to get to that part. You know, you have to trade the small accounts and trade real money to really you know, understand what it takes to be a profitable trader. I made that mistake when I started. I lost 500 my first week because I had that mindset. It will come back. Yeah, I mean, everyone does. And at first, that's why so many people get humbled in trading, right? That's why so many people get humbled, because everyone comes into trading with a big ego thinking, oh, I can make millions of dollars here, or I can be rich here, right? So instantly you have that ego of just, you know, that attitude and that ego of like, I'm going to be rich, I'm going to make money. And so when you are wrong and when you actually lose money, you take it to heart and you get really offended, and you think the market is like after you, and you think, you know, Forex is a scam, or, you know, you think all these things, but in reality, that's just, you know, that's just the game that we are playing. It's a game at the end of the day. You have the ups and downs. You just have to keep a level head through it all, through the wins, through the losses. You have to keep a level head, stay nice and calm. Don't get ahead of yourself. Don't beat yourself up too much when you have a losing trade. Just try your best to learn from it. And also the same goes for when you have a winning trade, right? Try and learn from it. When you do have a winning trade, go, oh shit, that was a winning trade. What did I do right this time? You know what I mean? So when you do have those, for example, if you're new to trading and you're just getting into it, and you see your first couple of wins, be like, okay, damn, like I've had a couple of wins. That's awesome. Don't just forget about it and try and move on to the next one. Look back and ask yourself, why did I win that trade? Why was that a good entry? I took gold buy at 2177. Oh, very nice. The boys. Very nice, bro. Good entry. You're sitting pretty right now then. Nice little 50 pip profit. Colleagues, I work with you Discord chats and work as a cluster to notify each of the price drops. Oh, interesting. Interesting, bro. Pair it with knowledgeable traders, yeah. Well, to be honest with you, Ty, I have a very specific strategy where I only trade within a 4-hour window during pre-London session. And honestly, I do my analysis and look at the charts for about 10 minutes a day, right? I set my alerts. I set buy stops, sell stops, and then I carry on with my day. So I'm not necessarily want to sit there and watch the charts all day or wait for us, you know, all different levels or, you know, etc. I trade during one specific time, a 4-hour window. I don't trade before that. I don't trade after that. So I've really focused all of my energy and attention into one specific session and window, so that the rest of the day I can just enjoy my life, spend time with my family, spend time with my daughter, and not be like somebody who just sits and stares at the charts for 10 hours a day, because that's what I was at the start. And yeah, it really doesn't get you nowhere. I've taken half profit. Nice, the boys. Nice. Let's go. I bought gold at 2179. When do you think I should sell? 2179. Well, what's your plan, Zach Bear? What's your plan, bro? You must, if you've entered a trade, you must have a trading plan. You must have a take profit. So you need to be, you know, I think you can answer that one for yourself. I have no idea about your analysis or your strategy, so you know, I have no idea what your trading plan is. Only you can answer that question, man. Believe in yourself, Zach Bear. Believe in yourself. The analysis that you have done and the strategy that you are using, believe in it, and follow your own instincts and your own analysis through to the end, and see what happens. I almost blew my account last week. I thought I had already maintained my emotions, but it hit bad. But I didn't give up, but recalled all my mistakes, and I have recovered good this week. Yeah, nice, boys. Nice, boys. I mean, we all have those lapses in concentration sometimes. I still do every now and then, where you kind of just get a little bit carried away with yourself. Gold is continuing here. Hey, volume. Very nice. And this is why I was looking at buys today. I knew this move was coming. But yeah, nice, the boys. Like I said, we all go through it. We all have those moments, but you did what every great trader would do, and that is, you know, you recovered. You look back at your mistakes, and you used it as a learning curve. You didn't use it as an excuse to give up or, you know, beat yourself up, but you know, you learn from it. Check gbpjpy. I don't trade gbpjpy entertainment. Everyone trains and learns from mistakes. Yeah, that's literally everything in life, right? Shit, man, gold is flying right now. Only trading gold. I like that name. I like that name. Whoever just joined that TikTok. Yeah, revenge trading is crazy. I haven't revenge traded in a long time, only because, like I said, I only take one trade per day, and that's based on very specific criteria. and I only trade like a 4-hour window. So yeah, but yeah, I mean, it gets to the best of us, the boys. So don't stress about it too much. Don't stress about it too much. Gold is flying right now. Sashi, what's happening, my guy? Oh, we're gonna have to go to a higher time frame here because this is insane, yo. There we go. There's the volume. So like I said, above 182745, but I mean, this is just completely took off here now. It's flying. Yeah, I posted analysis in the Telegram, the free Telegram earlier. Buys above 181810. So that's the only thing I was looking for today is buys, because I just knew, I kind of anticipated this move based on current price action, like weekly, daily, 4-hour. So yeah, I was looking at buys today, but I didn't end up getting a trade. And yeah, this is pretty much the move now, right? Like this move has happened now. So that's 110 pips that price has just moved. So yeah. I can feel. How to start day trading in Oz, which app and how I want to learn. This is TradingView 18. This is TradingView, so that's, you can get a free version of TradingView. You can use that to do your analysis. And I'm in Australia too, and the broker I use is called FP Markets. So you want to sign up to a broker. I recommend FP Markets. I'm not affiliated with them in any way, but they're a really good broker. Really tight spreads, good withdrawal and deposit, and they're a regulated broker as well. So, and if you want to learn, you're gonna have to find a way to learn, you know, through YouTube, through Google, through you know, potentially a mentor, or you know, you can go down the course route, whatever you want to do. But yeah, there's lots of information out there on Forex for you to learn. Plus 500 is what I use. It has a training version and uses live stocks. Oh, that's awesome. What's the spreads like on plus 500, Ty? What are the spreads like? Spreads be crazy on those apps, right? Like eToro plus 500. I can feel it. I can feel it. Slipping away. Spreads on plus 500. I wonder if I can Google that. Spreads on plus 500. Let's have a look. Tight spreads. Okay. I have taken all green trades today. Oh, awesome, entertainment. Awesome, man. You can't join the Telegram, the free Telegram, Sashi? The free Telegram? My brother. Oh, why did it just go so big? What the hell? What the hell? What the hell? Let's have a look. Let me do this off screen so it doesn't get in the way of the Just get in the way of the shots. The shots. Where's spread? Where is the spread? Commodities. Forex. Dynamic spread. I don't think it has a live feed of their spreads. I want to learn from you. I'm very curious to learn and start trading, but I don't have any knowledge. Well, if you're starting from the beginning, is it Satvia? Then what's up, Dennis? What's happening, Dennis? It literally hit my TP and he's heading down. Nice, bro. Nice, brother. What's happening, Dennis? How are you, man? If you want to learn from me, I mean, just keep coming to the streams. Come over to YouTube as well, Satvia. Forex with Cody on YouTube. You can see more, like the whole screen. Join the community over there. I have videos on my YouTube channel. I have education as well, but of course that is paid. It's not free. But you can learn the basics from YouTube. My channel, you will learn. There's lots of places to learn the basics, and then once you want to get into a serious strategy, once you understand what Forex is, and you know the basics, and you know what a broker is, what MetaTrader is, what stop loss and take profit is, all those things. Where'd the music go? Then you can look at a strategy, a serious kind of strategy, and start getting into trading that way. Where'd the music go? Oh, it's here. No, it's not. Why did the music just cancelled? Yo, user, thank you for the follow over on TikTok. Welcome to the TikTok gang. Appreciate you, man. Appreciate you, brother. I want to learn full paid course, okay? Because it's hard to understand and learn while watching videos only. Yeah, it is. Give me 1 second. I'm just saying. Oh, the lights went out. Oh, the lights went out. 1 sec.
Don't take me away from Mummy.
Love you.
Good night, Debbie.
Night. Love you. Love you.
Oh.
Second. Oh, there we go. Where was we? Yo, Satvia, thank you for the follow, bro. Appreciate you. Appreciate you. Welcome to the TikTok gang. What did you say? Because it's hard to understand. Yeah, so there we go. No. So yeah, you can. I mean, the links are down in. Oh well, you're on TikTok, so the link will be in my profile on TikTok if you want to come check it out. I do have a beginner section where you can learn if you're completely new to Forex. There is a beginner section, but you know, there's lots you can learn a lot from YouTube, you know, and also Google and things like that. Because most of the academy is actually recorded video content. There is some text content like within the academy to learn, but most of it is videos going over my strategy. So I would recommend trying to learn as much as you can from the internet. And then when you're ready to learn a strategy and take trading serious, then yeah, come and join the XAU Elite Academy, and yeah, I'll show you how I trade gold. Yo, AG, thank you for the follow. Appreciate you. Welcome to the TikTok gang. Yo, YouTube, what's happening, man? YouTube. YouTube. So what's everyone thinking about gold right now? What's everyone thinking here? Now that it's broke these levels, it's broken out of this consolidation phase. Yo, AG, thank you for the likes, man, on the TikTok. Are you watching your trades? What trades did you take, Nimbus? Nimbus. I'm gonna call you Nimbus now because you're a boss, right? You're a moderator, so that means you're a boss. So I'll call you Nimbus. Who's in trades right now? Who's in trades? Tell me. I'm the boss. You're the boss. So did you take some trades, Nimbus? You're out, the boys. Yeah, you would have hit take profit at this point, right? Oh, yeah, you did take profit. My bad. Yeah, you said that right there, literally. I scalped gold on 1 minute. Jesus. You're in trades, Ty? What trades are you in? Buys, yeah? One minute, yeah. Nimbus on the 1 minute. Sheesh. Risk more. Trading oil. 80.5 at the moment. Man, I haven't looked at oil in so long. I used to trade oil as well back in the day. 0.3% per trade, nice. That's a... See, Nimbus? Oh, I'm so proud of you, bro. That's very responsible of you, Nimbus. Gold is volatile? Yeah, that's why we love it. That is why we love it. Nimbus is my protege. The boys. I stare at the chart for like 12 hours a day. I mean, at least he's honest, you know? At least he's honest. That's what we love, a good, honest man. I saw him the first day and I told him I would be part of the journey. The boys. You gotta love that, the boys. Gotta love that, the boys. Legends over here in the chat, in the YouTube chat. Ollie said, ever tried futures with crypto? No, I haven't, Ollie. Gold going to pull back after this 1 hour candle. 1 hour, let's have a look. Yeah. Yeah, 1 hour candle closes in a minute and 50 seconds. So that is definitely, yeah, definitely something to watch out for right there. Purchased at 1.9, currently at 2.04 at 8 profits. If cashed out now, enough for the fuel tank. Yeah, nice, bro. That's what it is, you know. That's what it is. That's what it is, Ty. Even if you just make enough profits each day to, you know, withdraw some, you know, money, go buy coffee or something. It's that feeling of making that money on the markets, withdrawing it from your account, buying it, like spending it, you know what I mean? Such a good feeling. I've been learning for 2 weeks. I still go to uni and work, so I try. The fact that you can really focus on risk management. Yeah, that's good, the boys. That is good. Like I said, any strategy can be... Yeah, I know, Ty. Any strategy can be profitable. It depends on the person, right? But what really separates the men from the boys is, you know, risk management and discipline. It's all... Where are you from, Ty? Did you say you was from... I don't know if you did, but where are you from? Yo, Troy, thank you for the follow, bro. Welcome to the TikTok gang. North Queensland? Because, like, here in Melbourne... Are you talking to me, the boys? You want my Instagram? Because here in Melbourne, like, the last month, one day it will be, like, 34 degrees, and then the next day it'll be like 20 degrees, right? And then it goes freezing overnight, and then it goes hot again, like 30 something degrees the next day. Then it will go back down to, like, you know, 18, 20 degrees, 24, and then it will go, like, it's just been crazy, bro. Like, hot, cold, hot, cold, hot, cold. So, like, my body is all over the fucking place, man. Even if you learn a strat, you can change your own. Yeah, exactly. Troy, I'm just starting today. Have you got any tips? I'm so lost. Wow. Have we got some, we definitely got some tips for you, bro. Guys, what is your tips for Troy? He's just starting today trading, and he said he's so lost. Let's try help Troy out. Yo, Yosh FTE, thank you for the follow. Paul Hewitt, thank you for the follow on TikTok. I appreciate you. Welcome to the TikTok gang. After 15 to 30 minute goal pulling back, I believe. So Troy, I would say first of all, if you have no idea, Nimba said tips, easy. Like, follow, and subscribe to Forex with Cody. There you go. The boy said learn risk management first, lots and margin. Yosh said demo trade first. Ty said set a lose price. Don't get in your own head thinking it will always be a profit. That's a good one. Him out said bigger time frames to small. That's also a good one. Some good tips here. Are you getting these? Are you getting these, Troy? Yeah, mine would be, I mean, if you are really brand new to trading, God, man, yeah, you just have to learn the absolute basics. Like, if you have no idea exactly what Forex is, you need to learn about brokers. You need to learn about, you know, TradingView and what TradingView is, how you can utilize TradingView. You need to learn about, you know, pairs. There's so much, man. There's so much. But I would say, so you don't get completely lost and confused with and overwhelmed with all the information, start with signing up to TradingView. So this is TradingView, what you can see on my screen right here. I'm not sure if you know that already. So I would say, Troy, sign up to TradingView. Make an account. It's free. You can make a free account. Load up xauusd, which is the pair that I trade. It's a really good pair. And start learning how to utilize TradingView. You know, draw your levels, using all the tools. things like that, I'd say that would be your best bet right now. Noah said don't do demos. I can agree and disagree with that. Best form to trade on, best platform to trade on for Aussies. Aaron Taylor, do you mean you mean like a broker, or you meaning like this right here, what I'm looking at? This is TradingView. But if you're talking about brokers, then I use FP Markets. Budget what you can afford to use. Utilize stop loss. Yeah, all good, all good. All good tips. 15-minute time frame for entry. Nice, yeah. I mean, that's a decent tip, I would say. What's the best to trade? What's the best place to trade on, in your opinion? TradingView. TradingView 100%, Aaron Taylor. TradingView. And broker, FP Markets. Practice on AUD USD. Seriously, right now, so we're selling. I was looking for buys here above 2182745. I was looking for buys all today, but this 5-minute candle just completely pushed bullish within seconds. I wasn't able to get an entry here. FP 130, sheesh, yeah. I mean, that is standard across Australia with a oh my god, I've just forgot. I was just completely blanked. With a regulated broker, that is standard across Australia, but of course there is unregulated brokers out there. You just have to find the most legit one, or one that you think you can trust, which is going to enable you to trade 1 to 500. Be careful with the pullback. That is mad high for golf. Seriously, right now, yo, thank you for the follow, bro. Appreciate you. Appreciate you, man. What platform do you trade on? This is TradingView. Should we open a sell now? I wouldn't really recommend opening a sell position right now. Gold is extremely bullish. There's a lot of bullish volume right now. It's rejected from 2190. I mean, yeah, but I mean, look at the move previous to that. Look at this move here, right? This is huge bullish volume pushing price up right now. Like, you really don't want to be selling this. You might get lucky, and if you might get lucky and price may come down here, and you might be able to catch a little bit of profit. But yeah, I don't know why traders like to, when they see a market pushing bullish like this, their first instinct is to start looking for sells. So just jump on the trend, just jump on the trend, look for buys. Future Ray, yo, thank you for the follow on TikTok. Appreciate you. Welcome to the TikTok gang. Wait for confirmation. We need a rejection and a retest. Yeah. 2180 is mad high. I mean, not necessarily. We've had all-time highs up here at 222915 last week. So yeah, I mean, price has been higher over the last week or so. Hard up, Robin Banks. If he gets there, wait for a retest and entry. Train missed at 2177 range. 2177. You're talking about buys. You missed the buys there. But yeah, Troy, I hope you got some useful tips out of that. Yo, Matt V, thank you for the follow on TikTok. Welcome to the TikTok gang. I appreciate you. Let's go. What's GJ doing? Gij. Oh, this is Euro USD. What's Gij doing? So 1 hour closure. Did we get? Yeah, 1 hour closure. We got below the 191103 level, but still heavy rejection from that weekly 190813 level. So at this point you'd really want to see a closure below this level. preferably on the 4-hour time frame if price is going to continue. Boom. I think the next place I would look for buys on gold is above 2200175. Until it gets up into this range right here, then I'm not interested about what it does in here, because the trade for this move, the entry for this move would have been down in here at a break of this key level right here. But wasn't able to catch entries. So the next level, like I said, will be all the way up here at 2200175 for me, if I was to look for buys. Let's have a look. Trading is the worst. It will ruin your life, said Dave's World. I mean, I'll be honest, Dave. I love trading. I've definitely had a lot of dark times since starting trading, which has obviously been related to trading, but I made it through the other side, you know. And I've had the dark days, but I've also had a lot of good, positive, bright days, and they definitely outweigh the dark days for sure. Do you do this full-time job? Yep. Learn when to have a break and walk away from training. Yeah. Ty is just coming with the tips. Ty is just still coming with the tips, bro. I love it. I love it. Anna, thank you for the follow. Appreciate you. Welcome to the TikTok gang. There's somebody else who followed, but I don't know how to read that name. Shara Leb, thank you for the follow. Appreciate you. Yeah. It's all mental, of course, Ty. Massive mental, psychological battle. Yeah, I mean, there's gonna be things in life which are gonna help you through that. You know, it's gonna help you adapt better depending on what you've been through in your life. If you've faced a lot of tough things mentally, I believe that you know, that can help you and swing in your favor and enable you to stay calm under pressure and adapt to different environments. Especially with trading, you have to adapt a lot in real time as well, right? In trading, you don't have a lot of time to sit and think about a decision. You have to act and react in real time. So that is the hard part about trading. Really, if you're a swing trader, then maybe not necessarily, but you know, I'm more of a day trader scalper, so I have very little time, reaction time, to make a decision and come to a conclusion about what I want to do. For example, if I'm in a trade and I'm in drawdown, you know, what's my game plan at that point? And you have to just keep thinking in real time. Yo, Migas, thanks for the likes. Thank you for the likes on TikTok, guys. Yeah, next trade I'll be looking for is above 2200175. Two two 175. Watching from Luxembourg. Let's go. Keep going. The hard work pays off at the end of the day. Yes, sir. I love that. Appreciate you coming in here, spreading some positivity, bro. My guy. That's what I'm talking about, man. That's what we want to bring to the streams. Positivity. We want to help uplift each other. Trading is a hard game, man. It is. Mentally. It can destroy you, but you know, as long as we're here to help each other, we can get each other through, man. Watching from Australia. Let's go, Marco. Whereabouts in Australia? Mian, thank you for the follow, bro. On TikTok. Welcome to the TikTok gang. My guy. Melbourne. Let's go, bro. I'm in Melbourne too. Trading is all strategy and know-how. And experience. A lot of experience is needed for trading. Same as any job, you know, when you're first new to any job, you kind of, you know, you're not sure, you're not so confident. And after time, you know, give it a year, 2 years, you start to get comfortable, you start to get in a rhythm, into a bit of structure, and routine. Watching from North Korea, holy. Are you really? No, you're not. You said you was Indian, Tripathi. No way you're watching from North Korea. Yeah, thank you for the follow, Marco. Welcome to the TikTok game. TikTok. Kidding, bro. It's Ken. Yeah, I thought you was kidding. But yeah, let's see. Let's see. We got New York session open coming up. I think it continue to I think it can continue to move bullish. I'm gonna be looking for buys above 2200-175 for sure. For sure. Best advice for new traders. Oh mate, we just had another new trader in the TikTok chat, and they asked for tips. I'm not sure if you can see the previous chat, but man, we had heaps of people giving some really good tips for new traders, and I'll read some out to you. Actually, I'll scroll back up. Don't get in your own head thinking it will always be profit. Demo trade first. Start with bigger time frames to smaller time frames. Learn on trading modes. Budget what you can afford to lose. That's a good tip. Budget what you can afford to lose, because you will lose money. Make sure you're not using your your rent money, your mortgage money, your bill money, or something, you know, your food money. Make sure you put aside money that you can afford to lose in trading. Utilize stop loss. Yeah, heaps, man. But how new are you, Marcus? Like, sorry, Marco. Exactly how new are you? Yo, Mojo Social, thank you for the follow. Welcome to the TikTok gang. About 2-3 weeks. So do you know about TradingView? Have you signed up with TradingView? Do you have a broker? Do you know what a broker is? Do you know what spreads are and stop loss, take profit? You're currently using TradingView. Okay, that's good. Hello, Cody. Waiting to take the first trade with you. Okay, very nice. Well, you're gonna be waiting a long time. So I don't necessarily trade during this time. I trade during pre-London session anime. So new entry now, please. Can't believe I missed the buy. Had it marked up. Hate work cutting the profit. What, did you miss the trade because you're at work, Harry? What do I think about crypto? I used to be into crypto quite a bit. I made some decent profit in crypto, but I don't really I don't have any crypto holdings anymore. I sold them all. But I mean, yeah. It's a good alternative to transferring money and you know, paying. I'm not sure if it's exactly you know, gonna replace banks or what have you, but yeah, we'll see. What do you think about crypto, Migas? I just got back from work and missed it. Only reason I can't enter my trades. Yeah, that's annoying, man. That used to be the same for me as well, Harry. Work, damn work, always getting in the way of trading, man. There's a short coming up on that chart. You think so, Ford? Ford gang? 50% of your portfolio is in Solana? Oh, nice. I mainly bought... You lost 150k? Eh? In crypto? Working to book, yeah, perfect, Harry. That's good. That's very good, man. That's what I did as well. Worked hard, saved up money for an account. But it does get frustrating when you miss trades. Yo, Dreadful, thank you for the follow, bro. Welcome to the TikTok gang. You lost 150k in crypto, eh? How? How do you lose 150k in crypto? Did you not just hold it? What's the term? What's the term for when you're holding something? I remember always used to hear it when I was into crypto. Hold, was it like hold the huddle? Yeah. Yeah, huddle. I'm pretty sure it was huddle, yeah. HODL, huddle. This is just TradingView. Okay, this is TradingView. How does trading work? You speculate if a currency or a commodity or a metal or a stock or a crypto is going to go up or down, and then you take trades based on that analysis, on your analysis and your thoughts, and you try and make money. That's the quickest way I can explain how trading works to you. Yo, okay, thank you for the follow on TikTok, man. Appreciate you. Welcome to the TikTok gang. Yo, Nimbus, do you hodl any crypto? Yo, hey, thank you for the follow, bro. Yeah. Oh, yeah. It's definitely with like, for example, Forex currencies, or this one, for example, gold. It's good for day trading and scalping, right? Quick movements, getting in and out within the same hour, or the same half an hour, or 5-10 minutes, or even the same day. Whereas crypto, I see more of I know people do day trade like crypto futures. I think someone mentioned that in the chat earlier, but I see crypto as more of a asset in terms of like an investment, where I would buy some and hold it for the long term. You know what I'm saying? But I'm pretty sure you can day trade crypto. Hey bro, do you teach people how to trade? Yes, I do, Mitch. Yo, Courtney Cadell, thank you for the follow, man. Appreciate you. Welcome to the TikTok gang. Which app do you use? Are you talking about this one right here? This is TradingView, A. You don't have any crypto, Nimbus? Bam, bram, bram. I never believed in crypto stuff. Fair enough. Fair enough, man. The crypto stuff. That's fair. It does seem like a bit like the whole, especially since I came from stocks background, I invested in that in the past year. Yeah, I did have quite a big investment in stocks at one point, but again, I sold it all in order to fund my Forex trading addiction. So I had good investments in stocks and crypto. And yeah, I took it all out and put it in a Forex broker trading account and blew it all. I entered this gold buy yesterday. It only pushed up today. Oh, nice. Rain sounds, brain relaxation. What was the gold buy? What was the analysis on that, Rain? Stock is actually easy to trade, but it doesn't work with small capital. Yeah, I know. You need a lot of capital for stocks. Let's have a look. One-on-ones or in groups. How can I get involved? Yeah, you can do it either way, Mitch. One-on-ones, groups, like there's both options. But if you're interested, yeah, the link is in my description, in my profile. Is that a 5-minute time? Yeah, this is the 5-minute time frame for a game. And then how do you get paid? So you get paid. Yo, user, thank you for the follow, man. Appreciate you. Welcome to the TikTok gang. 2 users. User 235 and user 294. Why do you have user names? Did you get banned or something? But yeah, you get paid by having a higher win rate. So obviously you're always going to lose trades. But you know, depending on your risk to reward ratio, depending on your win rate, your consistency, your discipline, all these things that make a good trader enable you to make money in the market and be right slightly more than you are wrong on a trade, right? Thapa Yagya, thank you for the follow. I'm terrible at names, man. I'm sorry. Do you have a normal job? This is my normal job. Exactly. Yeah, you cash out. Your 70 seconds of fame. Thank you for the follow on TikTok, bro. Appreciate you. That's 28 new followers on TikTok today during the stream. Very nice. Very nice. But yeah, I mean, for example, you know, you guys on TikTok, I'll show you the trading journal again. So my stats, if you have a look at my stats, they're not the greatest stats, right? They're not like stats you would think that would enable someone to turn an account from 10k to 35k, right? These are just very average stats. So 44. So this is since the start of the year, so January 1st, right? 44 wins, 28 losses, for a win rate of 61.11%, right? So that's not a crazy high win rate. That's an very average win rate so far this year, just above 50%. But I've gained on my account almost 150%. So started with 10k, is now currently at 35k since January 1st, for a total profit of 311.5 pips. Oh, you guys can't see that, sorry. Right here. Oh my god, what is this thing doing? So yeah, 44 trades, 44 wins, 28 losses, 61.11% win rate, 148% account gain, which is, the win rate isn't good, but the account gain is good. And you know what that says? That is showing you that I have really good risk management and I keep my losses minimal and my wins a lot more than my losses. A total of over 300 pips secured since the start of the year. And you can see here, so my win rate for January was 49%, right? Below 50%, below half. But I still made a lot of profit in January. Feb, 74%, so a lot better. And so far in March, I've had a 71% win rate, 14 trades taken during March. So yeah. Cody, what's the name of the Telegram group? It's down below, Sashi. In the YouTube description, down below, you will see the link to the Telegram. Momentum was set for buy by the daily candle on the 20th, so I'll wait for violation of nearest supply on the 4-hour time frame. Wait for pullback, then entered. Oh, nice, nice, man. It sounds like you you know what you're doing. But welcome to the channel, Rain. I haven't seen you in here before, I don't think. Appreciate you stopping by and leaving some comments. My guy, Rain sounds brain relaxation. I have to check out your channel, bro. Do you have some nice relaxing music? I'm guessing. Will I be able to play it on my stream without getting copyrighted? I can feel it. Keep equity you need to trade and cash out what you need for bills and living expenses. Just download the app you're using. How do I start? So basically, you can connect a broker to TradingView and trade straight off TradingView if you wish. Most people don't do that. They use a different app which they can connect a broker to, called MT5. So next thing you want to do, Clipped, is sign up to a broker. I use FP Markets. But do your research on brokers. If you want to look at some good brokers, you can have a look down here in the TradingView app. You just go to Trading Panel, and this has got most of the well-known brokers in Forex. So we've got FP Markets right here, which is what I use. IC Markets is really good. Pepperstone is really good. Oanda it's okay. FXCM is okay. But I'd say the main ones are going to be FP Markets, IC Markets, and Pepperstone. So open an account with them. You know, if you potentially open a demo account so you can understand how trading works, how to enter trades, what take profit and stop losses, what buy stops, sell stops, you know, using different lot sizes, etc. And go from there, bro, and keep coming back to the live streams, and I'll give you any help you need. Yeah, appreciate that. Thank you for the follow, bro. Welcome to the TikTok gang. Clipped. Trez, thank you for the follow. Welcome to the TikTok gang. Mimo. Any instruction, user? I'm waiting for potential buys above 2200,175. Looking for buys on gold, Mimo. I was looking for buys above this level right here, Mimo. 2182745. I was looking for a nice closure above, but this candle, this 5-minute candle, literally drove up 121 pips. So yeah, I did not catch a move there. A seller stepping in soon. Okay, thanks, bro. Appreciate it. Oh yeah, that one. Buy seller network now. It's going to pump. Head. Is that a crypto, the detailer? What's the best site for trading? Doing analysis, I would recommend TradingView. But to actually enter trades, you want to download MT5 and sign up for a broker. A nice broker with tight spreads. Okay, maybe retest the zone before fly up. Yeah, who knows, Mimo? Let's wait and see. Crypto seller network. Yeah, I don't trade crypto, the detailer, but I appreciate that insider knowledge. I'm sure you got that straight from the banks themselves, yeah? Straight from Donald Trump or Elon Musk. What you saying? What you saying, bro? Do you guys remember when Elon Musk started posting about Dogecoin, and then everybody started buying it, and that shit went up like crazy? I wonder how much money he made on that. No, the chart looks amazing. Yeah, this is gold. This is XAUUSD. How can I start? Any instructions? What do you mean, user? Like, how can you start trading, or how, like, Be a little bit more specific. How can you start, you know, signing up to this website or what? I'm guessing you'll start trading. Okay, so we've had this question a few times. Do you ever get bored trading? So I actually, this is whenever I stream, it's actually the longest time that I sit in front of the charts and look at them for. Whenever I'm trading myself during my personal time, I never sit here and stare at the charts like this ever. I'll literally, I have a 4-hour trading window from pre-London until London session open. And I'll do my analysis within 10-15 minutes, and I'll set my levels, set alerts, set buy stops, set sell stops, and then I literally walk away, turn off my computer, and carry on with my day. Then when I come on later of a night and do this stream, this is actually when I stare at the charts the most. So to answer your question, if I was staring at the charts like this all day, it would get very bored. I would get very bored, yes. 100%. But user, you know, have you signed up for TradingView yet, user? Gold would be my go-to for all new traders. Personal preference, yeah. I mean, gold, I remember being absolutely terrified of gold when I first started trading. I was absolutely terrified of it because of how fast it moved. I started off on like currencies, and you know, for majority of them, you have very low volume in currencies. So when I came to gold and I saw how quickly it was moving and how erratically it was moving, I was like, holy shit. How long does it take to learn using a demo account? Our demo account's free on TradingView. Yeah, you can get free demo accounts on TradingView as well. Okay. And how long does it take to learn? It just depends on the person, bro. It depends on the person. Depends on what education you've had. You know, where you've learned trading from, how long it takes you to take on board that strategy or those teachings. Yeah, it just depends on the person and the situation. But I would say, you know, you need to give yourself if you're brand new to trading, you need to give yourself a couple of years to really get into the flow of things. Yo, Anata, thank you for the follow on TikTok. Appreciate you. Welcome to the TikTok gang. Zoe said 3 to 6 months if you're brave and committed. What do you mean, Zoe? Gold. Are you talking about gold? Are you talking about the comment that Ty made on gold? Yo, Alex Smith, thanks for the follow, bro. Welcome to the TikTok gang. Appreciate you, man. Appreciate you. Yeah, I'm not sure what he was replying to there either, Ty. 3 to 6 months if you're brave and committed. I'm not sure what he's replying to there, Ty. But anyway, yeah. Let's see. Doesn't potentially look like I'm gonna get any trades today. We still got Thursday and Friday though, so I've already had one trade yesterday. So that trade was this one on gold, 15 pips, $1,146 profit, 3.37% account gain. Yeah, based on the daily time frame, with entries on the 5-minute. Rosa Parks shared the live. Yo, appreciate you, Rosa Parks. Appreciate you, man. Thank you. What a legend. Not as trained as yourself, but definitely have enough experience to stay afloat. Yeah. I mean, you know, we're all constantly, there should never be a level where you reach where you think like, yes, you know, I'm at that level. There should always be room for improvement and growing. So, you know, I'm just the same as you guys. I'm just a trader, learning, growing as I go. But yeah, like I said, I've been in this 7 years. So at some point, I'm going to have to like be able to, you know what I'm doing. You would hope. Told y'all sellers are stepping in. Nice. Sellers are stepping in. 16 pips to the downside so far. Zach Bear shared the live. Oh shit, man. Thank you guys. Appreciate that, man. You guys are crazy. You guys are crazy. Sarima, thank you for the follow on TikTok. I appreciate you. Welcome to the TikTok gang. YouTube, what's going on, man? YouTube. I just feel bad because I'm just over here answering all the questions on TikTok, and I'm kind of neglecting you on YouTube, but I'm not. The TikTok chat is just wild. You know how TikTok is, man. You know how the TikTok is. Zach Bear, thank you for the likes. YouTube, do be silent. Yeah, I'm still just gonna wait for buys above 2200175. That's all I'm gonna be looking at today. If he doesn't come up there, then he doesn't come up. Could you use a bump or two? Well, the idea is to get people from TikTok over onto the YouTube channel, you know? It's like a funnel, like a tunnel, you know what I mean? Like an underground tunnel from the TikTok to the YouTube. Wow, I shouldn't really be talking about underground tunnels with everything that's happening right now in the world. Did he do it? Did he do it? I was actually going to make the title of my stream today, did he do it? I don't necessarily follow the news even, Nimbus. Like, it can get, you know, it's too much, everything that's happening. But, I mean, as of yesterday, there was a cargo ship in America that drove into, like, a massive bridge. And the bridge collapsed with people on it and shit. And then there's all this stuff about P. Diddy. Apparently, the fucking, I don't know, like, his houses got raided. Because he's been, I don't know what. People are saying that he's sex trafficking and, you know, all this shit. I don't know. Like, everything just seems to be happening right now. Like, as of the last, like, few days. Hi, Cody. Your stream is in the TV while I'm looking at the charts on my laptop. Oh, nice. Let's go, Mark. Appreciate that, man. Yo, Sam, thank you for the follow on TikTok. Appreciate you. Welcome to the TikTok gang. But yeah, Nimbus, like, I don't even know, bro. Baltimore, what is it? Baltimore Bridge. You guys seen this shit? Here's the video, look. Here's the video. Here's the ship over here that crashed into it, or it's about to crash into it, I think. Right here. Oh no, I think it's already crashed into it. Oh no, it's coming. It's coming, it's coming. I think it's about to crash into it. Wait, what is happening? Oh no, it's here.
I need one of you guys on the south.
Oh my god, what the hell was that? I was showing people on the YouTube, good day Australia, but yeah, I'll try and make it smaller for you guys on TikTok as well. But did you guys see this? That's not the actual video. Nah, Nimbus, the bridge collapses, bro. The bridge collapses. It's just not showing it for some reason. Let me get a YouTube video. Hopefully, like, I don't get fucking copyright or some shit. Nah, surely not for that. Baltimore. Okay, here we go. Moment bridge collapses. Here we go. You guys on TikTok can see this as well. Ready? Boom. But the ship was over here, Nimbus. You can see the ship. Oh, fuck. What was this? Goddamn. Here's the ship, look, right here. That thing just goes down too easy, bro. What do you guys think? But apparently there was like, it's a bridge that like cars go over and people can walk across. Apparently there was like loads of cars on it and shit. I don't know. I didn't really look too much into it, but don't. But yeah, crazy. I wonder if that's going to affect the US dollar. Do you think it's close to a sell zone? I mean, not necessarily, no. I mean, potentially, you know, you can always find a level of resistance or support if you look hard enough. But not necessarily, no. I mean, it is after a move like this, there does tend to be a pullback, like a retracement before it does continue bullish. So that could 100% happen. 80 bill in cargo comes in and out of that port every year. Shit, man. Didn't think bridges were that fragile. Yeah, from the video, like when you see the ship actually crash into it, it didn't look like it hit it that hard. Like it didn't look like the ship was moving at all that fast. But I mean, if you take out a leg like that to one of those bridges or make a leg weak, of course the whole structure is gonna get weakened and lose its like stability. Biggest car exporting port in the States? No shit. So what does that mean now, good day? Like, is that there's not going to be able to nothing's going to be able to get through there now, right? Or not for a long time anyway. When you're placing sell, I'm not placing a sell, Hugh. I am not placing a sell. Somebody in the chat asked me if it was close to a sell zone, but I'm not looking to sell gold right now. Good evening, Gallic. But yeah, every day I seem to turn on the news, there's always some crazy shit happening, man. The world is truly a crazy place when you think about it. truly. Yeah, bro. Oh, we just watched the video, Gally, of the ship, the ship going into the bridge and the bridge collapsing. Yo, Selena, thank you for the follow on TikTok. Appreciate you. Welcome to the TikTok gang. Selena. But yeah, bro. Shit's crazy. At to you, thank you for the follow on TikTok. Appreciate you. Welcome to the TikTok gang. At to you, companies will need to change their logistics. Guess it depends on their geography and if localized yet. Fair. Ports can pick up the capacity. You mean like other ports in the area? Yeah, bro, literally. Like the start of 2024, it was like, oh, nice, you know, nice movie. Definitely after, you know, everything that's been happening recently, you know, in Israel, Gaza, then you had Russia, Ukraine, and you had COVID and all these things. And you're like, man, come on, 2024, it's got to give us something. Like, it's got to give us a break, man. But like 2024 is literally picking up where 2023 left off pretty quickly, man. Because now there's all these talks of, is it a solar flare? I see like some states or whatever in America have issued a state of emergency because of the upcoming solar flares. I think it's on like April or something. And even that, like, now it's a solar flare, Yosh. Solar flare, like when the news, not when the news, when the sun, upcoming solar flare. Earth hit by a radiation from rare double X. Where is it? Is it supposed to be in April or something? April 8th, yeah? Oh, is it? When would you buy and when would you sell? I'm looking to buy above 2200175. I'm not looking to sell. What am I waiting for? Yeah, I was looking for buys above this level. Jordan, I was looking for buys above 2182.745 today, but yeah, this candle just pushed up like over 100 and something pips, and yeah, didn't get an entry from that one, so I'm waiting for above this level. Platform is TradingView Anonymous. But yeah, like I was listening, I heard it on the radio or something today. Wherever I was out somewhere, they was playing the radio, and I just heard like solar. Yeah, it must have been a solar eclipse, or I'm pretty sure they said solar flare, but I can't remember now. It must be obviously the solar eclipse. Solar flare is coming too, yeah. Yeah, what is that, Glade? I'm pretty sure it was a solar flare that I heard. Where do you place your trades? I place them on MT5 on a broker called FP Markets Anonymous. Do you subscribe to any Afterlife memberships? Afterlife memberships? What on earth is that, Nimbus? Afterlife memberships. Bum, bum. Bum, bum, bum. Yo, Mike, thank you for the share, bro, on the TikTok. Appreciate you. Trying to find it. I don't know. I give up. Religion? Oh. Oh, that's an interesting way of putting it, Nimbus. I've never heard that before. Afterlife memberships. Nah, bro. I do not. I was born and raised a Catholic. But yeah, I do not go to church, and I haven't ever since I was like a small child. Sal? No, I'm not looking at Sal's, bro. I'm looking at buys above 22000175. Are you in Australia? Yes, I am in Australia. Melbourne. Yo, along Aussie, thank you for the follow, bro. Welcome to the TikTok gang. Appreciate you. What about you, Nimbus? I think you've told me already, yeah? Do you subscribe to any Afterlife memberships, Nimbus? I'm not Australian though. I live in Australia, but I'm not Australian. Fan. Christianity? Thinking of leaving it because Yahweh sucks. What, you can just leave Christianity? Like, do you have to make that decision? Can't you just choose not to practice it anymore? Do you have to officially leave Christianity, Nimbus? What part of Melbourne? Blackburn? Is that in Melbourne? I'm on the west side, bro. West side? The morality, oh yeah, fair enough. I mean, I suppose if you have practiced it for, you know, a big part of your life, it's going to be hard to walk away. All right, so there's the 18 pip pullback. Now looks like price wants to continue bullish. And this is why a lot of people in chat and me also was saying not to sell yet, because obviously price is very bullish. This is not the kind of market that you want to be selling right now. Try my luck at 95. You're gonna sell at 95. Should have power runners. Sell. You live and you learn, Nimbus. Just don't make the same mistake twice. If you want to leave runners next time. The thing is with runners, like, sometimes I will leave runners, but I mean, in terms of being consistent, I like to take full profits at a certain level, which I've intended to take it at. I think that way I'm able to be more consistent and make better gains. I'll only really leave runners when I open like multiple positions. For example, like if I have 2 5 lots open, I'll take one at the intended profit level that I anticipated, and then I'll let the other 5 lot run at break even. But I feel like if you open a lot slot, if you open a position, for example, me, if I opened a position and like a 5 lot, and once price got to a certain level and I took say like 50% or 75% of the profit and then let the rest run, majority of the time it's gonna come back down to break even, right? So I'd get out break even and I wouldn't make the full potential profit. And then, for example, the next day, if I have a losing trade and it's a full loss, then the losses start to outweigh the wins, you know what I mean? What platform you using? IG? What do you mean? Is that you talking about a broker fan? What's up, Trendy Abby? Broker, I'm using FP Markets. FP Markets. This is gold, Abby. XAUUSD. What times do you hop on live? Usually 8 PM Australian Eastern Standard Time. Zeus. Yo, JPDJV, thank you for the follow. Appreciate you. Welcome to the TikTok gang. My guy. Yeah, usually around 8 PM Australian Eastern Standard Time, bro. I always go live, give or take 5 minutes either side, around that time. 5 or 10 minutes either side. But anyway, yeah, I'm gonna wait for buys above 2200,175. I have an alert on this level, as you can see. The alert is set. You guys on TikTok can't see that, but there is an alert on this top level. So if this does get, if it does hit, I'll get an alert, and then I can start looking for buys. Show some trade strategies, that way you get followers. Well, I've actually already gained 41 followers today, Abby. I'm happy with how the channel is growing. People seem to be enjoying the content. Appreciate the follow, fan. Appreciate you, bro. Welcome to the TikTok gang. Irfan, Irfan. But yeah, I'm live Monday to Friday. Yo, Jason Thomas, thank you for the follow, bro. Welcome to the TikTok gang. I'm live Monday to Friday, trading gold mostly. Also GJ from time to time, but mostly gold. Yo, Jesus, thank you for the follow, bro. Appreciate you. Welcome to the TikTok gang, my guy. Thank you for all the follows. I'm also live streaming on YouTube as well. If you guys want to see the full chart and join in with the YouTube chat, the YouTube community, you guys can head over to YouTube. Same name, Forex with Cody. That way you don't have to stare at a tiny screen potentially on your phone. You can look at a much wider screen over there on YouTube. Much better quality. Contents are great. Thank you, Gallic. Gallic, am I saying your name right? Gallic? Gaelic? Gaelic. Gallicky me? Gallic? Nathaniel Jones, thank you for the follow, bro. Appreciate you. Welcome to the TikTok gang, my guy. Garlic, I me. Garlic, I me. Garlic, I me. All right, I remember that. But anyway, guys, yeah, like I said, I'm waiting for a trade above 2200175. Let's see what happens. But I'm gonna head out. I'm gonna go spend some time with my daughter before she goes to bed. No, I haven't entered anything yet, John Cuts. I haven't entered anything yet. I'm gonna go spend some time with my daughter and potentially get some sleep. Your absence wounds me, my mental. Just kidding. See you next time. My absence wounds you. Ah, Nimbus. But yeah, I'll be live tomorrow. And yeah, Monday to Friday I'm live. Make sure you show up, show some love. I appreciate you guys for following today and commenting, keeping me company while I stare at some green and red rectangles with sticks coming out of the top and bottom of them. Move up and down on a blank chart endlessly. I appreciate you guys, right? Thank you for all the follows, the likes. My guys. Bye, Sashi. Do you still do those two risk? Yeah, Master, thank you for the follow. I appreciate you. Welcome to the TikTok gang. Do you still do those 2 risk 1 win trades? Do you mean 1 to 2 risk reward ratio? Is that what you're talking about, Farkoff? Cool, have fun, lad. All right, lad. All right, lad. All right, YouTube, peace out, man. Appreciate you guys. Love you. And I'll see you tomorrow.